After a difficult labor, a mother hippo sadly passed away shortly after giving birth to her baby. The zookeeper took on the responsibility of caring for the little hippo, feeding it milk to provide the necessary nutrition, and regularly giving it baths, even teaching it how to swim. However, the baby hippo often lay alone in a corner, filled with sorrow. The zookeeper understood that the little hippo missed its mother. Whenever he noticed the baby hippo feeling down, he would comfort it, finding ways to cheer it up and help it overcome its sadness. Under the zookeeper's care, the baby hippo grew up healthy. The zookeeper continued to make it happy, playfully pinching its tail with toys, spraying it with a water gun, and sometimes even drawing on its back. These playful gestures seemed to work wonders, and over time, the hippo gradually emerged from its sadness, becoming more lively and cheerful. Although they weren't related by blood, the bond between the zookeeper and the hippo grew stronger, resembling that of a true family.